In this video, we will show you how to replace the fan assembly on your t22.9 REFLEX Treadmill. Before you begin assembly, please be sure to read the assembly manual thoroughly, as it will contain important safety warnings and assembly tips. If there are any questions regarding the replacement process of this part, please contact Freemotion Customer Care at the information below. To begin this replacement, begin at the back side of the console. First, locate the console cover. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove all 4 screws affixing it to the console frame and set the cover aside along with the screws. Next, remove the 2 screws holding the fan assembly to the console frame as shown. Moving under the console assembly, we'll now remove the console insert. First, locate the 6 screws marked with an embossed arrow and remove them using a Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are removed, you'll then elevate the console insert, unplug each of the wires connecting it to the unit itself, then lift it out. Now directing our attention to the failed fan assembly, first, unhook the harness connecting it to the console insert. Then, using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws holding the fan assembly to the console insert. Setting the failed fan assembly aside and with the new fan assembly in hand, place it onto the rubber isolators and tighten the 4 Phillips screws to attach it to the console insert. The console insert, with its new fan assembly, is now ready to go back into the unit. Reversing the process from earlier, reconnect each of the wires that were disconnected. Being sure not to pinch any of the wires, carefully lay the console insert flat. Begin tightening the 6 screws on the bottom of the console insert, as well as the 2 within the console housing. Finally, insert and tighten the 4 on the back to reattach the console cover. Be sure to test the fan and machine functionality to ensure no wires were pinched during this repair process. This concludes the repair tutorial. For further assistance with assembly, operation, or other inquiries, please refer to the contact information slide at the beginning of this video.